Teacher asked the students to plot the point 6, 2. Ram considered it as x, y and he plots the point here. Sita considered it as y, x and she plots the point here. Who is correct and why? In ordered pairs, order matters. It is universal practice that plotting the point in a graph in standardized way, that is x, y order. In x, y, x denotes x coordinate and y denotes y coordinate. Ram is correct here and Sita is wrong. Testing of a function, graph, vertical line test. It is used to check whether the given graph is function or not. If vertical line intersects graph at one point, it is a function. If vertical line intersects graph at more than one point, it is not a function. Cartesian product with singleton set. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Cartesian product of A and B is 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, which is plotted on the graph, which forms the relation x is equal to 1. Here x is constant, y varies. So let's check the relation is function or not using vertical line test. Since vertical line intersects more than one point, it is not a function. Let's consider it as case 1. X is equal to 1 is a relation, it's not a function since vertical line intersects more than one point. Cartesian product with a singleton set. A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. B is equal to 1. Since B has only one element, it is singleton set. A cross B is 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, which is plotted on the graph, which forms the relation y is equal to 1. Here x varies, y is constant. Let's check whether the relation y is equal to 1 is function or not using vertical line test. Vertical line intersects at one point, so it is a function. Y is equal to 1 is a function since vertical line intersects at one point. Let's consider it as case 2. Let's consider the set of points from the previous slide, which is represented in arrow diagram. All the elements of A has the same image in B, so it is a function. For many x, 1y, so it is a function. For many x, 1y is a function. Let's consider this graph, which is x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 is not a function since x is constant, y varies. For 1x, many y is not a function. Let's consider another graph. Y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 is a function since x varies, y is constant. For many x, 1y is a function. Is x is equal to 1 a function? Why? No, because function is a special relation with specified condition of ordered pair x, y. X denotes input value and y denotes output value. Whereas in x is equal to 1, the above condition do not satisfy. Element of domain should not have more than one image in B. In Cartesian plane, there will be many relations. X is equal to 1 is a relation. All the relations are not functions. Functions are special relation with order x, y. All the conditions are satisfied in y is equal to 1, so it is a function. Horizontal line test is used to check whether the given graph is one or many one function. It is used only if the given graph is a function. If horizontal line intersects graph at one point, it is 1 1 function. If horizontal line intersects graph at more than one point, it is many one function. We know that y is equal to 1 is a function from the previous slide. Let's check whether this function is 1 1 or many one using horizontal line test. Since horizontal line intersects more than one point, it is many one function. But here horizontal line intersects all the points, that is the speciality. Relation. Let's consider this set of points which has the relation x is equal to c. In a Cartesian product there will be infinite number of relations. All the relations are not functions. Functions are special relations. In a Cartesian product there will be infinite number of functions. Let's consider this set of points. Y is equal to x plus 1 is a function. Let's consider this set of points. Y is equal to x is also a function. Let's consider another set of points. Y is equal to x minus 1 is also a function. And let's consider this set of points which has a relation y is equal to c is also a function. Cartesian product. Cartesian product is a universal set from which relation is a subset and function is subset of relation, and relation is superset of function, and relation is subset of Cartesian product. So Cartesian product is universal set, relation is superset, and function is proper subset. This is the relationship among Cartesian product, relation and function. Let's understand usage of vertical line test and horizontal line test through this example. X is equal to minus 2 is a relation. Let's check whether this relation is function or not. To check whether this relation is function or not, we use vertical line test. Vertical line intersects more than one point, so it is not a function, it is a relation. Let's consider another set of points, that is y is equal to minus 2 relation. Let's check whether the relation is function or not using vertical line test. Vertical line intersects y is equal to minus 2 at one point, so it is a function. When it is a function, then only we have to use horizontal line test. Horizontal line test is used to check whether the function is 1 1 or many one. Since horizontal line intersects more than one point, it is many one function. Let's consider these examples too. Let's check y is equal to x is function or not using vertical line test. Vertical line intersects exactly at one point, so it is a function. So it is a function, so we can use horizontal line test. Horizontal line also intersect exactly at one point, so it is 1 1 function. Let's consider another example. Y is equal to x plus 1. Let's check y is equal to x plus 1 is a function or not using vertical line test. Since vertical line intersects the graph at exactly one point, it is a function. So we can apply horizontal line test. Horizontal line also intersects the graph exactly at one point, so it is 1 1 function. If it is a function, it must be either 1 1 function or many one function. Special cases of functions. Let's consider our function is burning. Since function is burning, what happens when you give input as mango tree? One will get output as coal. What happens when we give Ashoka tree as input? One will get coal as output. What happens when we give input as coconut tree? Certainly one will get coal as output. All the input values collects to form a set which is called domain. Similarly, we collect all the output values and form a set which is called codomain. Whatever input value we give, we get output is coal. So output is constant and which is also range. So it is many-one function. In many-one function it is special case because range is singleton set. So it is considered as constant function. Constant function definition. A function f such that a to b is called a constant function if the range of f contains only one element, that is f of x is equal to c for all x belongs to a and for some fixed c belongs to b. If the range of the function is singleton set, then it is a constant function. Let's consider these two sets a and b. Function is y is equal to 1, that is f of x is equal to 1. When we give input x is equal to 0, we get f of 0 is equal to 1. When input is 1, output also 1. When input is 2, output is 1. When input is 3, output is 1. When input is 4, output is 1. For any input of x, we get 1 as output. So f of x is equal to c. This is constant function. Let's represent function in arrow diagram. All the elements of A maps into one element in B. So domain is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and codomain is 1 and range is 1. Range is singleton set, so it is a constant function. Is constant function a many-one function? Yes, it is a many-one function. Then why don't we check many-one into or many-one onto? Because its range is singleton set, so we consider it as a special case. Let's consider our function is photo capturing. If you take photo of a Linus, you get image of a Linus. If you take photo of a cow, you get image of a cow. If you take photo of a line, you get image of a line. All the input values are collected to form a set, which is known as domain, and all the output values are collected to form a set, which is known as codomain. Since our function is photo capturing, whatever input value you give, it reflects as output, so it is an identity function. Identity function definition. Let A be a non-empty set, then the function f such that a to a defined by f of x is equal to x for all x belongs to a is called an identity function on A. Let's consider these two sets and elements of f. Since function is y is equal to x, when we give minus 2 as input, we get minus 2 as output. When we give minus 1 as input, we get minus 1 as output. When we give 0 as input, we get 0 as output. When we give 1 as input, we get 1 as output. When we give 2 as input, we get 2 as output. So f of x is equal to x. Whatever input we give, it reflects as output. So it is an identity function. Let's represent the function in arrow diagram. Domain -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 and codomain -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, which is equal set, and range is again same -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. Here domain, codomain, range all are equal. Y is equal to x is just like multiplying with 1. It is multiplicative identity, so it is identity function. Is identity function a 1-1 function? Yes, it is a 1-1 function. Then why don't we check 1-1 into or 1-1 onto? Because input value reflects as output, so we consider it as a special case. Real valued function. Definition: a function f such that a to b is called a real valued function if the range of f is a subset of all real numbers, or that is f of a is proper subset of real numbers. Let's consider this example: y is equal to x square plus 1. Function f such that r to r, that is real number to real number. Now when x is equal to -2, f of -2 is 5. When x is equal to -1 by 2, f of -1 by 2 is 5 by 4. When x is equal to -1, f of -1 is 2. When x is equal to 0, f of 0 is 1. When x is equal to 1 by 2, f of 1 by 2 is 5 by 4. When x is equal to 1, f of 1 is 2. When x is equal to 3 by 2, f of 3 by 2 is 13 by 4. When x is equal to 2, f of 2 is 5. Let's represent function in arrow diagram. Domain, codomain, range. Y is equal to x square plus 1. F such that natural numbers to natural number. In this condition it is 1-1 function. F such that real numbers to real number. In this condition it is many-one function. Range is the set of real numbers, so we consider as a special case. So it is real valued function since the range is the set of real numbers. Constant function. Many-one function. Its graph is straight line. Constant function always parallel to x-axis, which is equidistant from the x-axis. Its graph is a straight line, but it is not a linear function since degree of constant function is 0, whereas degree of linear function is 1. Linear function, 1-1 function, identity function, its graph is a straight line. Let's consider the function y is equal to x. F of -2 is equal to -2, f of -1 is equal to -1, f of 0 is equal to 0, f of 1 is equal to 1, f of 2 is equal to 2, f of x is equal to x, which we see in previous slide. F is an identity function, so it is a multiplicative identity. It's a linear function since its degree is 1. It is a 1-1 function. Reciprocal function, that is multiplicative inverse function. It is 1-1 function. Its graph is hyperbola. Reciprocal function. Let's verify using horizontal line test. It is 1 function. A function f such that real numbers to real number except 0 defined by f of x is equal to 1 by x. Since 0 has no reciprocal, graph of reciprocal function is hyperbola. Quadratic functions, it can be considered as one or many one function depending on the examples, and its graph is parabola. Let's consider the function y is equal to x square plus 1. Generally, it is many one function, but when we consider the case function f such that natural number to natural number, that is up to this, it is 1 function. Let's check whether it is 1 or not using horizontal line test. Since horizontal line intersects exactly at one point only, in this condition this function is 1 function. Let's consider y is equal to x square plus 1 f such that r to r. In this condition the function is 1 or many one. Let's check using horizontal line test. Since the horizontal line intersects more than one point, in this condition the function is many one function. Cubic function, it can be considered as 1 or many one function depending on the example. Cubic function, a function f such that r tends to r defined by f of x is equal to x cube. When we give input value as -2, we get -8. For -1, -1. For 0, we get 0. For 1, we get 1. For 2, we get 8. So let's check the function is 1 or many one using horizontal line test. Since the horizontal line intersects exactly at one point, it is 1 function. Cubic function, a function f such that r to r defined by f of x is equal to x cube minus x. When we give -2 as input, we get -6. When we give -1 as input, we get 0. When we give 0 as input, we get 0. When we give 1 as input, we get 0. When we give 2 as input, we get 6. For 3 values of x, we get 0. Let's check whether the function is 1 or many one. Since horizontal line intersects more than one point, it is many one function. Let's recall special cases. Identity function f of x is equal to x, reciprocal function f of x is equal to 1 by x, constant function f of x is equal to c, linear function f of x is equal to ax plus b, quadratic function f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, cubic function f of x is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Whereas in linear, quadratic, cubic function, value of a should not be 0. In constant function, degree of constant function is 0. In linear function, degree of linear function is 1. Quadratic function's degree is 2. Cubic function's degree is 3. Special case, constant function y is equal to c, whose graph is a straight line, whose degree is 0. It's never be a 1 function, it's always many one function. Identity function y is equal to x, whose graph is a straight line, whose degree is 1, it's always a 1 function and never be a many one function. Linear function y is equal to mx plus c is a straight line, whose degree is 1, it's always 1 function and never be a many one function. Quadratic function y is equal to x square, its graph is a parabola, whose degree is 2. Let's consider y is equal to x square. In condition natural numbers to natural number, it is 1 function. In integer to integers and real numbers to real numbers, it is many one function. In quadratic function, it is decided by whether it is 1 or many one function. depends on the problem. Cubic function y is equal to x cube, its graph is a curve, its degree is 3, it's always one function, sometimes it is minimal function. It also depends on the problems we choose.